It's easy to conceal the excess fat in your core behind a baggy sweater. But wouldn't it feel amazing to ditch the bulky closet in favor of body-skimming clothes and curve-hugging jeans? In this video, on the parshealthhtv channel, we've come up with 8 simple ways to gain a flatter stomach and live a much healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned with us. Number 8. Eat 6 small meals a day. The mystery to revving up your metabolic rate and getting rid of midsection fat is a change in your daily routines like a diet. Begin by eating 5 or 6 light meals a day. If you consume large meals and leave several hours between eating, your body will assume you are starving yourself and, as a result, it will keep most of the calories as body fat. Nutritionists recommend eating your largest meal of the day in the morning, at breakfast time, within about 30 minutes of the time you wake up. It's also essential to drink lots of water during the day, to restrain water retention, aid digestion, and keep you feeling fuller between your meals. Number 7. Focus on high-protein meals. Restrict your intake of simple carbs like white bread and pasta. Instead, focus on eating lean protein sources like turkey breast, eggs, chicken breast, legumes, omega-rich fish, peas, and whey protein powder. In addition to improving the protein in your diet, restrict your refined sugar intake and eat carbs like sweet potatoes, brown rice, oatmeal, and multigrain bread. Pick good fats found in fish, nuts, coconut, and avocado, and rev up your fiber intake with fresh and organic fruits and green leafy veggies. Number 6. Count on cardio workout. Focus on doing at least 30 minutes of cardio 3 to 5 days per week for the best outcomes. Include some form of interval training, alternating bursts of intense training with gaps of lighter activity. You can tend to use a 1-to-1 work-to-rest ratio. For example, you can make a 30-second sprint followed by a 30-second jog or walk. You can change the length and intensity of the intervals, beginning at a speed and level you feel comfortable with. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Add strength training. The key to increasing your metabolic rate is growing your overall muscle mass. This, in turn, will let you shed body fat and keep it off. At least twice a week, target to do 1 set, at least 8 to 12 reps, each of 8 to 10 workouts that condition the major muscle groups like bicep curls, squats, shoulder presses, deadlifts, lunges, and push-ups. When it comes to aiming the abs, coaches recommend that beginners perform static movements such as front and side planks and stationary activities with a medicine ball. Once you improve your midsection strength, you can work up to performing more advanced workouts. Number 4. Control stress. Women's abdomens are significantly influenced by stress levels. According to a professional coach, it involves the cortisol level, a stress hormone that wreaks havoc on the body if it is not at an optimal level. This process can lead to the storage of abdominal fat and muscle breakdown, reducing the overall metabolic rate. Find a method to relieve your daily stress by practicing self-care. Go for a short walk with your dog, wind down with a cup of tea and a good book and enjoy your free time, or join a yoga or Pilates class that will calm you while you work on your core. Number 3. Decrease oil intake. As you may know, the most calorically dense food, above and beyond even butter and nuts, at an average of 2,800 calories per pound, is oil. All kinds of oil, whether coconut, avocado, olive, or any other type. You may believe that organic oil is healthy, but that is a misconception individuals have from the Mediterranean diet myth, which is much less beneficial than individuals think. Number 2. Stay hydrated. You usually hear that drinking plenty of water is vital for health. There does not appear to be some magic number, like 8 glasses a day, but simply, you should guarantee you quench your thirst throughout the day with pure filtered water. Restrict caffeine, and drink more green and herbal tea than coffee and tea or sugar drinks. Be careful, nevertheless, not to drink your calories in the form of juices, even natural smoothies, and protein drinks. Juices hardly fill you, delivering you a high sugar intake. However, they may fill you temporarily and tend not to trigger your full signals as readily. The fiber in whole fruit acts as a net to slow down the body's process of turning sugar from food into blood sugar and glucose. Though the smoothie has fiber, it has been crushed during the blending procedure. As a result, you are more likely to feel hungrier again sooner after consuming the smoothie than if you had eaten the same whole fruits and veggies. It goes without saying that you have to really watch out for alcohol intake, too, as it's hugely calorically dense. You have drunk more calories with a few beers or glasses of wine than in a regular meal. Number 1. Avoid snacking between meals. Every few months, a new diet fad appears to be promoted, and the latest is definitely intermittent fasting. The idea is founded on the insight that to burn fat, our bodies must be able to digest food and then go back to a resting stage before we start eating again. If we continue eating every couple of hours, we never let it get to that condition, therefore packing on the pounds of fat. There is some validity to this insight, as we seem to consume frequently in our food-obsessed and stressed-out culture. Some have suggested periodical fasting, which means following a dietary regimen where you limit the windows during which you ingest food and create pockets during which your body is permitted to rest. Sometimes, this takes the form of fasting for one day a week or maybe every other day. A flat tummy is not as easy as following a short-term diet or even going on a periodic fast. It is the product of minor behavioral changes each day that add up to a slimmer you all year round. What do you do to have a flat stomach and a healthier body? Share your ideas and experiences with us in the comment section below, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen.